Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start by making a realistic study plan and stick to it every day. Study Python for 30 hours over 2 weeks with 2-hour daily sessions. Break each session into focused blocks of 40 minutes with 10-minute breaks. Prioritize core topics, data types, control flow, functions, lists, dictionaries, and file handling. Allocate specific days for revision and for practicing past VTU questions. Track progress using a checklist and adjust the plan if you fall behind. Focus on active coding rather than passive reading to build muscle memory. Write and run 50 short programs covering each core concept and save them in one folder. Time yourself on 10 problems with a 60-minute limit per set to simulate exam pressure. Use the interactive REPL and debug using print statements and a debugger stepper. Refactor solutions to improve clarity and reduce lines of code. Review incorrect answers and re-implement them until correct and fast. Adopt a calm exam strategy to convert practice into marks on the paper. Read each question twice and allocate time using a 90-minute exam plan. Tackle guaranteed easy questions first to secure marks and build confidence. Carry 1 page of handwritten notes with syntax and common library functions for quick memory hooks during revision. Aim for a safe score of 60% early, then optimize remaining time for high-weight questions and detailed coding tasks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.